Hello Groveland. Today's video is being done on June the 19th, 2019. And our objective today is to give you updates on two items. The first one is the Classic Car Show, which we've been planning and a number of you have asked about. The car show will be October the 5th. That's the first Saturday in October this year. And it will be located at Mount Holly's parking lot. We've confirmed permission to use their parking lot. If you're interested in being in the car show and you haven't already signed up on the lists that are available in the township office, please feel free to stop by and sign up on the list, and then as we get closer, we'll give you additional information. In the near future, some promotional flyers will be available. We'll have them at the township office, and we'll start to circulate them at some of the existing car shows throughout the summer. So that gives you the latest status on the Dixie Byway Car Show for October the 5th, 2019. The second item here is to give you a little bit of information because a lot of people have asked about the status of the new ORV Park. You may know from earlier videos, the park is destined right now to be open June of 2020 to the public. But in the interim, we've had several events there since last fall through this summer, through the spring really, to test different issues out and look for noise abatement and any of those issues. They have all gone extremely well. Following this introduction, you'll see some video footage of the last event that we did, which was with the Bent Wheels motorcycle group. And the event went off fantastically. It was to test noise levels in car control and so forth for a motorcycle event. There were about 240 or 50 motorcycles on the property and about 400 people, and it was a complete success. There were no problems. We're very pleased with the results. Going forward, there's probably going to be 2 or 3 more test events between now and the opening next year for any final modifications that are necessary to the park and final design of it. So the park will be open June of 2020. There's a couple more events scheduled between now and the end of the year, and we'll keep you abreast of those. But for your enjoyment, I thought you might want to see some drone footage of the last event that was done, and special thanks to the Bent Wheel Motorcycle Group who made this footage available for us. So with any further delay, here's the footage.